Let's make spaghetti squash shrimp Alfredo. Here are some of the ingredients we'll be using. First, take the spaghetti squash and cut it in half like this. Remove the seeds from each half and then place on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper or foil. Brush each half of the spaghetti squash with olive oil and then season with salt and pepper. Flip them over so they're skin side up and bake them in a 400-degree oven for 30 minutes. Season some shrimp with Cajun seasoning and then toss to well coat each piece. Heat up some olive oil in a pan. Add the shrimp to the pan and cook for 3 minutes on each side. Remove from the pan and set aside. Remove the squash from the oven and flip them over to let them cool. In the same pan we used to cook the shrimp, melt some butter, add in some minced garlic and cook for 30 seconds. Sprinkle in some flour and mix together to create a roux. You want to cook this out for like a minute. Pour in the heavy cream and mix it together to well incorporate the roux. Add in salt, pepper, and Italian seasoning. Then mix well to combine. Add in grated Parmesan cheese and mix together until well combined. This is our Alfredo sauce. Take a fork and scrape it against the flesh side of the spaghetti squash. This is going to create our noodles. And as you can see, it's very hard to do with one hand. Add the shrimp to the Alfredo sauce, along with the noodles we created from the spaghetti squash, and toss it all together until it's well coated. Fill each spaghetti squash half with the noodles, shrimp, and sauce, and then top with mozzarella cheese. Place under the broiler until the cheese is melted and browned. Finally, I garnish with some curly parsley. Full recipe link can be found in the description box down below. Eat and enjoy!